Good morning and welcome back to London. It's been a while since I've done one of these because, yeah, I've been busy lately and life gets in the way sometimes. But it's good to be back out on the streets taking photos, but I'm here for a reason. One of my photos are being exhibited today in Regents Park, so I'm going to head there this afternoon and take some photos along the way. It should be a good day. I'll show you it all. It should be some fun. Yeah, see what photos we can get along the way as well. It's good to be back out. If it looks like I'm hobbling along, by the way, it's because I've hurt my leg. So I kind of am hobbling along. Can't chase after shots today. So a really simple one to start with. It's not actually my first image of the day, but it's my first image out and about. When the sun comes through, you get these lovely patches of light down here. Nice bit of reflection. Someone walking through this little alleyway can create something quite nice. But I've just got to wait for the sun and the subject. So two things. But yeah, shooting in black and white. I've got the screen on the camera actually set to black and white, so I can see it how it's meant to be. Should be good. The first shot of the day I actually was on the train this morning when I was coming up. And yeah, looks pretty good, that one as well. I like that. Let's continue walking and we'll get on the underground in a second. Hopefully the sun comes out. Since I'm waiting for a train from Liverpool Street, I thought I'd come up to Horizon 22 as well. The sun's out, so it's creating some nice shadow on the floor, and the windows can create some nice minimal images. And the view is unbeatable, really, isn't it? So yeah, I'll hover around here while I'm waiting for my train to get to Regent Street? Baker Street? One of them two. Can't remember where my train's going now. And then we'll go to Regent's Park. And then gallery time. It was Baker Street that is the station that we're coming out of. And these stairs can help me recreate a photo that I took in Belgium last year. Just shooting up at them, capturing people as they go out and in at the station. But you got to wait for one or two, not a whole crowd of people. And then it should look like a better shot. Use the railings as a leading line. Focus. And take the photo. Should come out pretty well. I just want one or two though, not a whole crowd, which is a nightmare to get. So I'm doing my typical here now. I'm just hanging around on street corners, waiting for people to walk through here because the sun's hitting really nicely underneath the scaffolding. And when they walk through that middle bit with the two pillars quite close together, they're framed quite nicely. We'll just see. Someone in light clothing is probably better than someone in dark clothing because you can't see the ones in dark clothing as well. That one might have worked though. It's all about waiting for the right one. So I'm now in Regent's Park. I'm just taking in the scenes. Less streets, but still when the sun breaks through the clouds that come over, you can get some really nice pictures. I don't think I've ever been here, which is quite surprising, but I don't think I have. I could be wrong. Who knows? But it's lovely, nevertheless. See what I mean with the light and dark contrast as well? This little patch of light just up ahead. Sun breaks through, get people walking across there, especially in black and white. It looks quite nice. I'm shooting a lot more in black and white lately. And that's one of the categories I entered. So you'll see the photo. I'll leave it as a surprise until we get there. So yeah, if you're ever in Regents Park at all, come to the Knapp Gallery, because there's an incredible selection of images in here, including one of my own. Oh, it's just over there. I told you I'd leave it as a surprise. There it is. One of my favourite ever black and white photos. Surrounded by some really incredible ones. Like, these are incredibly clever how they're done. Right, look at that. Very, very good. And that one's something else as well. Steve Elliott, well done. So, there we have it. It is about 7 o'clock now-ish, and I've just come out of the gallery. Some great pictures from a bunch of great photographers in there. So yeah, really happy that my work's being shown throughout June amongst them all. So if you're ever near and about Regents Park, go and pop in to the university and go and see the gallery. You won't be disappointed. Tons of great work there. Sun's still out, so I'm gonna enjoy the last bits of light and golden hour while I'm taking photos, because why not? Also, talk from Paul Harrison in there. Cheers, mate. You were funny. Right, I'm back where I usually start these videos to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this one. It's been a good one. I've really enjoyed seeing my work printed and amongst some other amazing work from other photographers. So yeah, like I said earlier, if you've got time, make your way to Regents Park, have a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I'll see you next Sunday. Bye-bye.